Alright, so I'm back. So we got some of these big sparkler looking things. We got.
Is Mom doing a fake YouTube video again, Mom?
No, I'm not. Nick's doing it. So. Yeah, you did. You want me to show her?
What?
You want me to show your.
Oh my.
Okay, so now we have some of these big things. They're like little devil, red devil things. They're like little rockets. Okay. Then we have this big box.
So hard.
I don't know what it is. Then we have this big packet here. Has a lot of stuff in it. Because it was buy one get one free, so got two.
Here, go. Come on, Romeo.
So now we have these.
Y'all need to clean that mess up off the floor too.
Things.
I mean, like, I'm getting tired of coming in here and I see everything all messed up here. Y'all make y'all mess, y'all need to clean y'all mess.
Okay, I will. Okay, so now we have these.
No, we're winning.
You want some ice cream? You said you want some chips. Now, I'm not going to give you no ice cream if you ask.
No!
I don't care. You ask for chips.
These little firework rockets.
You ask for chips.
No.
Alright, so we got this. I think it's 100 shots.
And I have my ability.
Yes, Veda.
Why you did this?
Shut up! I've never got a double.
I'm fuming.
CXD.
That's my sister. She's two.
That one says
It has like a cheetah on it. I think that's a cheetah. I don't know.
that one Cheeto.
Okay. So then we got this.
The ability is pretty good. It's
We
like
got this little thing. It has
speeder knife, like
fast cat.
just feel.
Fat cat.
You know what I mean?
So, got that.
Chug. Got that motherfucker.
These are like.
Kill that kid that
Okay, so we got some.
This cat.
Shh. It's okay. Be quiet, okay?
Okay.
So then we got this little butterfly.
That's this.
No, this. Right here.
We got
Eat your ice cream. Eat your ice cream, Gayla.
How are they?
Put feather on both.
Okay. And we got these little rocket. They have like rocket things on them. My bad.
How about
Oh, my God.
this?
Solid.
Better.
Oh, 26 too. I'm not
That.
One.
That's what.
Better. Can you eat your ice cream,
I was
please?
wobbling at the little bit.
We got this.
Let me touch it.
You want to show them?
They got beat. They got beat.
Here, I'll give you a tiny one to show them. So it's called Game 1. Hold on. Here, you can show them these. You can show her this.
This.
No, why did they know?
Little pop.
I'm using my. I
Let's
have
pop
Pop it. Pop it.
Pop it.
You got a whole bunch of those.
Hey, let me
I
like
got
it.
these little.
Here.
No. Stop. Since he's taking, just take them out.
Yeah,
But you guys, while you have to wait for the 4th. After the 4th, because I'm doing these after I'm showing you guys. And then I have this big one. This little big pack right here. This is the best. We got these right here.
Kill that kid. I'm gonna kill that kid. Fake him.
And we got these little monkey things. Monkeys on them. We did one of those. Sorry. So now we have this one. this little thing here.
Come out.
We got another big pack right here.
Over here.
Yeah.
Daddy.
There.
No.
Alright,
Okay.
Beta, don't touch. Beta, don't touch, please. Okay. Now we got some of these little eyeball looking things. Don't touch. Beta.
No, I was gonna kill him and then I got
Oh,
shot.
yeah, we got these little
Don't do what that
can
shot
worms.
does.
Don't kill no.
They got me. They got me back.
Okay.
Have we win? How much time we got left?
Stop, don't touch.
Daddy does. Mr. Him.
Then we got these little bombs.
Mr.
How much time?
They saw them, they saw them.
This.
We got this, little guys. We got this, guys.
But you only got 200, don't you? Yep.
You're done. This time.
Yeah, wait, I showed them. Now, help me put this stuff back in the
I got
box.
35
Alright,
kills. I'm happy.
we'll put this stuff back in the box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment, subscribe, like, and yeah. Bye.